Live from the wok, Ayam Kecap, sweet soy chicken. Ingredients in the description. Sizzle rating, 3. Wok and roll, banana patrol.
Wok hot, oil in, shallot and garlic in, quick fry, 20 seconds, just fragrant. Chicken in, spread it out, quick sear, then fold and flip till it's nearly cooked. Sweet soy in, little soy, splash of water. Now we reduce and coat every piece. Keep folding, sauce turns shiny, seasoning in, sizzle rating, 3. Taste check, more sweet, tiny sweet soy, want heat, chili in. Final flip, heat off. Ayam Kecap, sweet, glossy, crown pleaser. Wok and roll, banana patrol. Subscribe and I'll teach you street food without the street stress.